Hi there, students. Prudent, an adjective. It means being careful, avoiding risks. So it is always prudent to look where you're putting your foot before you step. Prudent, cautious. Then we have the noun prudence, an uncountable noun. Prudence is behavior that is careful, behavior that avoids risk. Okay, and this is the idea of prudent. So I think it's prudent that we read the contract very carefully and think about it before signing the contract. Okay, it's not a good idea to panic. Prudence is a good idea, being careful. Okay, so somebody who's prudent acts with care. They show care, they show a forethought. Their actions are well judged, they're shrewd, they are advisable. Prudence. If you exercise prudence, you're showing wisdom. You're showing that you are an intelligent, smart person. Yeah, and you're careful. You don't just jump in. You look before you leap. Okay, so prudent. Somebody who thinks about things, and they're shrewd, they're circumspect. They don't just jump in directly. They show the ability to discipline themselves, to use reason, to think about things, to be circumspect and cautious about the idea of danger. Okay, so I think it would be prudent to save some money every month. We need to make a prudent decision, a carefully thought, safe decision. It might be prudent to check to see if you've got COVID by taking a COVID test. It wasn't prudent to do too many things at the same time. Yeah, no prudent person would ever drink and drive. He's a prudent, generous person. An ounce of prudence is worth £1 of gold. That's not a bad one. A lack of prudence could leave you in financial trouble. Prudence is a good guiding principle. Sometimes prudence is not possible, but prudence is not a bad thing. Notice as well, prudence is a woman's name. Okay, so a prudent approach, prudent planning. Sensible and careful. It's always prudent to warm up before you start taking exercise. You're a prudent, careful person, and you know you need to resolve this problem. Yeah, you're circumspect and discreet in managing what you do. You're practical and careful about thinking about the future. You use good judgment. You use common sense. Yeah, you use prudence, good care and sense when making a decision or taking an action. So, yes, prudence, acting in a reasonable way, thinking about something, being planning carefully. So this is the idea of prudence or prudent. He was a prudent manager with his money. This was a very prudent investment. Prudence is my watchword. Yeah, caution, care, discretion, heedfulness. Okay, so prudent and prudence. 5.5 informality. Use absolutely anywhere. And these come from Old French prudent, from Latin prudens, which is a contracted form of providens, foresight, for, and videns, to see. So provideo, to see before, provident. And that's the idea. You're looking forward to the future to see if there are problems coming towards you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Prudent Prudence.